Hello fellow unicorns, welcome to another video, and today I will be reviewing a drawing screen by UGEE, the UGEE U1200. I have also prepared a special surprise at the end of this video for anyone interested in getting a drawing screen tablet. So this screen is very lightweight and it comes with many add-ons and cables, but there are some that are not included, so please read carefully before you order. And check out the official website I will be linking down below. From what I can see from the physical aspect, the drawing area is bigger than my entire iPad, which was a pleasant surprise. From the design, I figured it would be a little bit smaller, but it actually provides a decent amount of drawing space. Apparently, this screen can be attached to any PC, laptop, MacBook, or even phones, although only Android phones. I tried connecting the screen to my Mac, but it kept refusing to connect. So I have concluded in the end that it was probably due to the drivers not supporting the latest Mac OS version that was installed on my MacBook. After this failed, I connected it with my Windows desktop and things were running smoothly so far. One downside though was that I had to uninstall any other tablet drivers I had previously, so this is not compatible with any other drivers. As for the software part, there were the usual pen settings available, and my main focus was on how well the art process was going to be. There was a noticeable lag behind my pencil strokes. I believe that if I was a beginner artist today, this lag would probably not be noticeable, since it's really not that big of a deal to me personally. But I can see that some people who are used to normal drawing tablets and not screen tablets might find it annoying. My assessment would be that this is a promising option for any beginner digital artist, especially if you don't have a PC but you want to have something connected to your phone. I'm really sad that I didn't have an Android phone near me so I could test it out. But if you ever get a chance to test it out and let me know how it went, please do leave a comment down below. The piece I wanted to draw today was inspired by racing and sci-fi anime, and you can see a very simple concept for dynamic art, and that is by using warm colors for the front character and cool colors for the background. I really miss drawing any original art pieces, original concepts and characters, since adulting literally is breathing down my neck. But I really hope that you guys like what I did on this, and please let me know how you would like to maybe call this character or name her or give her a backstory. I would really love to see what you guys come up with. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and if you're interested in this screen tablet and it seems like a good choice to you, feel free to use my 10% discount code in the description down below. See you guys next time.